Today I'll be showing you guys how to create a professional and modern e-commerce website step by step. And you don't need to know any sort of coding or have any experience whatsoever, because everything in this tutorial is done with a simple drag and drop builder that makes it super easy to build your e-commerce website. And as you guys can tell, this website looks great. So if you've always wanted to learn how to create an e-commerce website for the very first time and you're kind of tired of the runaround, then this tutorial is for you. So by the end of this tutorial, you guys are going to know how to create your own e-commerce website, and you're also going to become a WordPress expert. And this e-commerce website you guys are going to make today is going to look super professional and modern, and your visitors are really going to enjoy shopping on your new e-commerce websites. So today I'll walk you through how to make an e-commerce website to fit your business needs. Now you can sell any type of product you want on your e-commerce website. You can sell clothes, your own personal branding products, coffee, electronics. You can sell any type of product you want with no restrictions. Plus, your designs are going to look very similar to popular online retail stores like Sony, Apple, Live Lark, Abercrombie & Fitch, and American Eagle. We will be using modern trends that multi-million-dollar companies use to make sure your website stands out and keeps up with today's website trends.